Hi everyone, welcome to another OnSide how-to video. Today we're going to be looking at using the OnSide app as a OnSide for Teams user. So to start off with, someone from your company would have invited you into the team. So you would have received a quick email just getting you to confirm your account and set your password. Once you've done that, you would need to download the OnSide app and log in. And when you log in, you'll come to this screen here. So straight away, we can see up the top, we can search for properties. Tap in there, and the 10 closest to you will be shown. So it's likely that one of those are the ones you need to be in. Otherwise, you can search as well. So I'm going Jimmy Inc., and that's my property. I can see I've got 4 risks here, and with these red circles, I know I need to view this information. I haven't seen it before. So I've got the drainage creek that runs along the reserve. Got it. I have overhead lines. Keep away from them, don't touch them. Got it. And I've got a black panther hiding somewhere. There he is. Got it. Right, and I've just got this one last risk. Broken structures, I believe. There it is. Now down the bottom here, you'll see a red bar, a few other risks. So we've got some beehives here as well. Now the reason it's in this bar is because it's present on the property, but it's not placed on the map. So I'm fine with that. Everything looks done. Check into property. And what job am I going to be doing on this property? So the property owner has given me a list of jobs to choose from, and I'm going to go pest control and block C. And this gets sent through to them as a notification. Right, how long am I going to be here for? This is very important. So I think I'm going to be here for 3 hours, and let's go 5 minutes, so it rounds up to 6 o'clock. There we go. And we've got the property rules. So this is just a little bit more information about the property to help you understand it, as well as the rules that the property owner or manager would want you to follow while you're on the property. They can also attach a PDF or an image file, and you can download that and view it. Got it. So now I'm checked in. I can see I'm the only one in here doing pest control and block C, and I've got 3 hours and 4 minutes to go. So the ETD time is very important because when you get 10 minutes away from your time, you're going to get a notification saying you need to remember to check out or to update your time. And then another one at 2 minutes before, and when you go overdue. When you go overdue, your manager will get an alert to let them know that you may need to be followed up just to make sure that you're okay and everything's going all right. We can look into the safety tab as well and report a risk or an incident, review the information reviewed, have a look through the emergency map and the placements of the markers, update our departure time, so I'll give that a few more minutes. Cool. And we can even look into the chat. So chat with the other people that are in the property, or chat with the admins, or call them directly. Great. So that's it. So that is OnSide for Teams as a OnSide for Teams member. Thanks.